The donation of $300,000 was made during the church's weekly deliverance service, following the collection of a love offering from the congregants. Rihanna Jeffrey, who lost 13 relatives in the fire, including her sister Bibi Fiona Jeffrey, cousin Lorraine Evans, and nieces Belnisa Evans and Sabrina John, collected the donation on behalf of the other affected members of the indigenous communities. General Overseer of Freedom Life Ministries, Bishop Joel Walkboy, described the donation as a small gift of love to those affected by the fire to let them know that they are in the thoughts and prayers of the church.
This money is not going to bring them back. This money is not going to bring back the entire joy. Okay, it's just to let you know that we as a church, we are praying and we care also. We want to just give you our widow's mite. Our widow's mite. It might not be enough for everybody, but guess what? We just want to say that we love all of you. We love those children. They are part of us.
Extending a helping hand to Guyanese in need, whatever way possible, has always formed part of the mandate of Freedom Life Group of churches, and it is in that vein that an invitation was extended for members to contribute to assist the relatives of the Mahdia victims, Bishop Walkboy said.
On behalf of the entire church, I want to hand over to you a token of our love and our gratitude to God for allowing those children to be part of our lives before they passed on. Please, kindly accept this check of $300,000.
Just last year, at Adacia Semple, a 16-year-old renal failure patient benefited from $100,000 donation from the church, as well as for the 7-year-old Melroy Pyle, a bilateral amputee and single father of 4. At the onset of COVID-19, the church also honored the valiant efforts of medical frontliners with a tangible financial offering. In expressing gratitude, Ms. Jeffrey said it has been an uphill battle for her emotionally and physiologically since the horrific.
There was nights I would cry myself to sleep. There was days that I cannot even eat food. And many people would say, you still have your daughter, you still have your mother. But losing 13 relatives at once, my heart is small, but my God is big.
She described the day she got the message of the fire as the worst experience of her life.
It was very tragic when I got the news. I was in town here to write my exams. But the day when I was to go and write my exams, the day I got the message, my cousins and other relatives were in fire and I lost them. I didn't get to write my exams.
Bishop Joel Walkboy committed to further assisting Jeffrey and the others affected by the tragedy in whatever possible way. Freedom Life Ministries, Inc. was established in February 2003 at West Coast Berbice by Bishop and Prophet Joel Walkboy. With a membership of thousands, the church has expanded to include 8 local and 2 overseas branches. Antonio Day reporting for the HEP Nightly News.